है मेरा, हो ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु।
A day of joy you won't forget. With little hearts and spirits high, we are ready now to touch the sky. A very warm welcome to all our guests gathered here. Today, our school turns into a world. We invite you to sit back and watch our dreams take flight. Now, we welcome our tiny stars to proceed this wonderful program. Please give a thunder of applause for them.
Water of wisdom and sunshine of love, and blessing that fall from heavens above. A fantastic morning to our respected chairman, sir, honorable director, sir, visionary principal, ma'am, respected principal of Maxwell Gurukul, respected teachers, dear parents, and my dear friends. A very warm welcome to our annual function, Color of Echoes of Talent. Wow, Bhavi, I am super excited. Yes, me too. Today is a special day filled with joy, talent and celebrations. Dear parents, don't blink your eyes because our performers are fast. So let us begin this wonderful program with lots of smiles and applause. Parents, are you excited? We are also excited.
It is a great moment, pride and honor for us. We once again warmly welcome our Honorable Chairman Mr. Mukesh Bansal sir and respected Director Mr. Kapil Gupta sir along with esteemed guests.
Absolutely right, Jess. Your presence makes this even more special.
Let's have a big round of applause. Lighting a lamp means spreading light, knowledge, and hope. It reminds us that even a small light removes darkness. We request our honorable members of school management and our worthy principal ma'am and our guiding light, Mr. Mansur, to come forward and light the ceremonial lamp. Let us all join our hands and seek the blessings of Ma Saraswati. A lamp of wisdom shining bright fills our heart with hope and light.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहार।
Thank you all respected dignitaries for lamp lighting. Audience, please give a big round of applause.
या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजा।
Yes, of course, Rishika. Before starting any good work, we take the name of Lord Ganesha as the remover of obstacles. Exactly. Even our dance steps become perfect with his blessing. Let's and welcome our little star who will present a divine Ganesh Vandana. And dear parents, please wear your sunglasses because our students are bright than the sun rays today.
वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
मैं एक ऐसे बालक का निर्माण करूंगी जो केवल अपने माता के आदेश का पालन करे। पुत्र गणेश, मैं स्नान गृह में जा रही हूँ। मेरी अनुमति के बिना किसी को अंदर मत आने देना। जो आज्ञा माते। और ये लो, इसमें मेरी शक्ति है, ये तुम्हारी रक्षा करेगा। परे हटो बालक। आप भीतर नहीं जा सकते। अरे ये कैसी बात हुई? हमारा ही घर और हम भीतर नहीं जा सकते। कौन हो तुम बालक? मैं गौरी पुत्र गणेश और मेरी माता ने दिया है मुझे आदेश। जब तक उनकी अनुमति नहीं होती कोई भी भीतर नहीं जा सकता। आप है कौन मुझे आदेश देने वाले? हम कैलाशपति शंकर। हम तुम्हें अंतिम चेतावनी देते हैं, द्वार से हट जा। पुत्र गणेश, पुत्र गणेश।
और फिर शिव के गण ऐसे बालक की खोज में गए जो उत्तर दिशा की ओर मुख करके सोया और उसकी माता उस बालक की ओर पीठ करके सोई और उस बालक का मस्तक गणों ने शिव जी को ला दिया।
माते,
चढ़ायो अच्छा गज को, जोन दिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को, हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को, महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को। जय देव जय देव जय जय की गणराज विद्या सदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता। जय देव जय देव त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्याकरणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं देव देव। कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृति स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणाय समर्पयामि। अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं हरि गिरिधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे कृष्ण हरे
Get ready to enjoy a melodious group song by our talented young singers. Little voices sweet and clear, spreading music far and near. Harleen, did you know singing together improves memory, pronunciation, breathing and teamwork skill in children? Yes, Rishika, I know. And today our singers are ready to win your heart with their beautiful performance. And dear parents, don't run as kids are faster than you today. Please welcome our young star with a big round of applause.
कभी खुशी कभी गम तररम पम पम हंस और हंसाया करो इन सबके कदम देखो रम पम पम आज ऐसे गीत गाया करो
कभी खुशी कभी गम तररम पम पम हंस और हंसाया करो
नहीं कोई गम मुझे नहीं है गिला जिंदगी की राह में मिला दे तब से तू मेरे हमदम शबनम हमदे और तुम शोला बन जाया करो
कभी खुशी कभी गम तररम पम पम हंस और हंसाया करो
उनके सबके कदम देखो रम पम पम आज ऐसे गीत गाया करो कभी तररम पम पम हंस और हंसाया करो
hard work of students, teachers, and dear parents.
Right, Anand. Now we invite our respected principal ma'am to share some inspiring words with us.
Let us invite our visionary principal ma'am. Please give a huge round of applause. Cultivate culture and empower others. A leader is one who knows the way and goes the way and shows the way.
Namaste. Warm greetings of the day to all present here. Honorable members of the management, worthy guests, and esteemed parents. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all on our annual day function, Color Up, a celebration of joy, creativity, and vibrant spirit of childhood. Today, as our little stars light up the stage, I feel immensely proud to present the annual report of our school for the academic session 2025-26. Max International School stands on the strong foundation laid by our revered founders Shri Ratan Lal Bansal ji and Shri Sansar Chand Gupta ji, visionaries who believed that education is not merely about marks, but it is about values, character, and purpose. Carrying forward this noble legacy, their sons, our Honorable Chairperson Sir, Shri Mukesh Bansal ji, and respected Director Sir, Shri Kapil Gupta ji, they transformed this vision into reality by establishing Max International School with a clear mission to nurture responsible citizens, confident leaders, and compassionate human beings through value-based education. I'm really proud to share the list of school awards we received this year. The management has been honored by Hindustan Times with the Best Academic School Award, acknowledging their exemplary contribution to academic excellence. At the Global Foundation of Early Childhood Conclave, which was held in Goa, the school was conferred with the Best School Award, celebrating its progressive approach to early education. The IPA organization recognized the management for their outstanding work in the field of education, while PASAWA at Chennai Conference acknowledged their visionary leadership with transformative initiatives. Adding yet another feather to the cap, the Amar Ujala Group bestowed the Best Gurukul School Award to our sister concern, Max the Gurukul School, reaffirming the institution's commitment to blending traditional values with modern education. These accolades are not merely awards, but a testimony to the management's passion, perseverance, and purposeful leadership. Their vision continues to inspire the entire school fraternity to strive higher, dream bigger, and work collectively towards shaping responsible, competent, and value-driven global citizens. Dear parents, from humble beginnings to its present stature, the school has grown steadily, touching new heights every year and marking its mark across academics, sports, co-curricular activities, and competitive examinations. Academics remain the backbone of our institution. We are proud to announce that 100% CBSE results were obtained in both Class 10 and Class 12 this year, and every year that we see with students passing out every year with flying colors. To honor their hard work and merit, the school awarded scholarships more than 10 lakh rupees to the deserving students of Class 10 and 12. This initiative reflects our belief that excellence must always be encouraged and celebrated. Adding to it, I feel elated to share that this year, Max International School has created history by producing maximum number of national qualifiers in the various Olympiads. We have 14 awardees for excellence in International Maths Olympiad, 11 achievers in National Science Olympiad, and an achiever each in International Commerce Olympiad and International English Olympiad. Ladies and gentlemen, I assure you of many more such outstanding results in the coming years. As I take you to our kindergarten wing, Max Blooming Era, nurturing the future of our kindergarten and primary students. Max Blooming Era has introduced a thoughtfully designed curriculum this year called Kinder Magic for the students of nursery to grade 2, which is aligned with NEP 2020-20 and NCF, which will come into effect in this very session 2026-27. The curriculum focuses on play-based and experiential learning, foundational literacy and numeracy, creativity, curiosity and confidence, emotional, social and moral development. Here, learning will be even more joyful, meaningful and deeply rooted in values, ensuring a strong foundation for lifelong learning. Sports is an area where Max International School shines with immense pride. This year, more than 150 students participated at zonal and state level competitions, and over 40 students brought laurels to the school at state and national levels, making not only the school but also the families immensely proud. Our state level primary wing students in sports showcase the rootedness of excellence in sports, the skills provided by our school. These achievements are a testament to discipline, perseverance, teamwork and never give up spirit to instill our students with complete enthusiasm. The school proudly acknowledges and celebrates every young sportsperson who has won the Max badge with honor. Sharing with you about the co-curricular excellence that focuses confidence and creativity. Our students actively participate in a wide range of co-curricular activities, including debates and declamations, poetic narration and recitation, Rangoli and art competitions, music, dance and theatre. They have consistently earned positions, accolades and recognitions, proving that confidence, creativity and communication skills are as vital as academics. Our students truly make us proud by representing the school with grace and excellence. Our students enrolled in abacus classes and they have demonstrated exceptional mental ability and focus, performing remarkably well in competitions. And very soon, we will see that our students will be participating at international level abacus competitions also. The school has also set up benchmarks in various other competitions. I hope you know all about our Pro-Max classes. Through these Pro-Max classes, the school is doing exceptionally well in preparing students for competitive examinations like JEE and NEET. With results proven expert faculty, innovative pedagogy, small batch sizes, and all India testing patterns, students are trained to face competitions with confidence. We are hopeful to see excellent results this coming year. My dear parents, we do not stop here. Session 2026-27 is going to be a bright session for all of us, with more adding up of aspects of holistic development. We will be having Vedic maths classes also, along with abacus and reasoning classes. Our students will be learning coding and financial literacy this year as a part of skill education. Our computer labs will be upgraded to robotics and AI versions for our students to keep them ahead and updated in the techno era. And as mentioned previously, the curated curriculum of Kinder Magic, designed for kindergarten students, is bound to be a revolutionary step in the holistic development of our students. Ladies and gentlemen, none of this would be possible without our dedicated and well-trained faculty, whose innovative teaching pedagogies make learning engaging, interactive, and meaningful. Their tireless efforts truly shape the teaching learning process. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to our parents, whose constant support and trust empower us to shape the future and personalities of our children. The strong partnership between the school and parents is a cornerstone of students' success. Dear all, as I conclude my words and as we celebrate the spirit of Kalara, we reaffirm our commitment to nurturing young minds who will shape the new India, confident, compassionate, skilled, and value-based. We move forward with gratitude, pride, and renewed determination to touch greater heights. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable words.
Audience, please give a huge round of applause for ma'am. Parents, your wards are backstage panicking. Please motivate them.
अब कोई नहीं है निराशा।
ये कैसा है तमाशा, नई प्यार की है भाषा, अब कोई नहीं है निराशा।
चुप है हम भी, चुप हो तुम भी,
होती है सब बातें फिर भी।
अरे कैसा हुआ ये अजूबा, जादू 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 जादू
the world. Now let's bring our focus back to the beautiful values of life and duty. The Bhagavad Gita teaches us about truth and our responsibilities. Let us have a view of some beautiful lessons to our next dance performance.
का मान हूँ मैं, हर माँ की खिलखिलाती गोद में हूँ, मैं प्रेयसी के हास्य विनोद में हूँ। हाँ मैं कृष्ण हूँ, मैं कृष्ण हूँ, मैं कृष्ण हूँ। मैं नारी के सत्कार में हूँ, संस्कृतियों के प्यार में हूँ। मैं परिवार का विश्वास हूँ तो समाज का विकास भी हूँ। मैं शांति के हर श्वास में हूँ, मैं बांसुरी की मधुर तान भी हूँ तो सुदर्शन चक्र की धार भी हूँ। मैं करुणा के हुंकार में हूँ, संस्कृति के हर प्रकार में हूँ। मैं अंत हूँ, प्रारंभ भी हूँ, नए युग का आरंभ भी हूँ। हाँ मैं कृष्ण हूँ, मैं कृष्ण हूँ, मैं कृष्ण हूँ।
प्रारंभ हुआ है युद्ध, आरंभ हुआ है युद्ध। युद्ध के जिसने खड़ा किया मुझे मेरे अपनों के विरुद्ध, मेरे परिवार के विरुद्ध, मेरे रक्त के विरुद्ध। हे कृष्ण, कैसे बहाऊं मैं अपना ये रक्त? मैं दुविधा में हूं और अशक्त। ना, ये युद्ध ना अब लड़ पाऊंगा मैं। रखता हूं धरा पे धनुष और बाण। ये है मेरे युद्ध में पूर्ण विराम। श्रीमद् भगवद गीता में श्री कृष्ण के मुख से उत्तर आया,
यश्चैनं मन्यते हतम्। उभौ तौ न विजानीतो नायं हन्ति न हन्यते। जो हुआ वो अच्छा हुआ, जो हो रहा है वो अच्छा हो रहा है। क्या गया तुम्हारा जो तुमने खो दिया? खाली हाथ आए थे तुम, खाली हाथ जाओगे। गीता सार में जो लिखा वो सत्य है, वो सत्य है। गीता सार में जो लिखा वो सत्य है, वो सत्य है। गीता सार में जो लिखा वो सत्य है, वो सत्य है। गीता सार में जो लिखा वो सत्य है, वो सत्य है। यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत, अभिधानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्। परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम्।
धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे।
ॐ क्लीं कृष्णाय नमः कृष्णाय नमः कृष्णाय नमः। ॐ क्लीं कृष्णाय नमः कृष्णाय नमः कृष्णाय नमः।
कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद
Doesn't just happen. It comes with hard work. Now it's time to celebrate the winners of our Olympiad winners and board result achievers. We also have the winners of sports and father and me reel contest winners. We request our respected members of our school management and our respected principal ma'am, honorable chairman sir and director sir, our esteemed guest Miss Manju Rana ma'am to come on the stage and appreciate our winners with the awards. I request the winners to get ready. So let us begin with board result 2023 to 2024 achievers who have given an extraordinary performance in the academics. I will request the guests again to be on the stage. Audience, please give a huge round of applause. Please keep giving huge rounds of applause. Paras Bindal, father name Mr. Jitendra Kumar, who has scored 97.20% with an appreciation amount of 21,000. Please give a big round of applause. Sahil, Mr. Smeel, get ready. Next, I would like to call Sahil, son of Mr. Sunil. Please give a huge round of applause for their hard work. Tia, father name Mr. Krishna Kumar, who has scored 93% with an appreciation amount of 5,100. Please give a big round of applause. Khushi, father name, who has scored 90.2% with an appreciation amount of 5,100. Now it's time for grade 10th. Yatash Ahuja, Mr. Rajiv Kumar, who has scored 95.20% with an appreciation amount of 11,000. Palak, Mr. Shishpal, who has scored 94.20% with an appreciation amount of 5,100. Please give the claps. Moving on, now it's time. Palak, daughter of Mr. Shishpal, who has scored 94.20% with an appreciation amount of 5,100. Please keep the claps coming. My dear parents, please show the energy. Let's cheer loudly for our champs. Moving on, now it's time to appreciate the winners of Father and Me Reel contest winners. What was that, Anand? So, in this contest, our talented students made a reel with their father on the occasion of Father's Day held on 21 June 2025. And the reels which got maximum views are the winners of this contest. contest. That's great. So let us call them on stage for their celebration. Please give a huge round of applause. Nitya, who's the winner, father name Mr. Sachin Garg. Please give a huge round of applause. Please join us on the stage. Meanwhile, we are having Lavdeep, father name Mr. Hardeep Singh, who has scored 90% with an appreciation amount of 5100. Now I would like to call Nitya, winner of Father and Me Reel contest winner, daughter of Mr. Sachin Garg. Please give a huge round of applause. Kanishka, first runner-up, daughter of Mr. Naveen Garg. Manraj, second runner-up, son of Mr. Sandeep. Sparsh, third runner-up, son of Mr. Pramod Kumar. Please join us on the stage. Round of applause. She is the first one. Nitya, who's the winner, Mr. Sachin Garg. Manraj, who is the second runner-up, son of Mr. Sandeep. Please join us on Pramod Kumar. Please give a huge round of applause. Not only that our students are talented, but our parents are too. Please keep giving huge rounds of applause. The Olympiad exams were held in the month of November. And guess what? Our Mexians created a sensation in Olympiads. A total of 25 medals, 7 gold medals. These achievers are being appreciated with a check of 2100 for achieving academic excellence in maths and science. Now I would like to invite we are having a winner of Father and Me Reel contest winner, Manraj, second runner-up. Please give a huge round of applause. A check of 2100. Please give a huge round of applause. Congratulations, Anshika. The Olympiad exams were held in the month of November, and guess what? Our Mexians created a sensation. Now I would like to call Noor Kaur from class 10, a check of 2100. Please give a huge round of applause. Now I would like to call Hargun Kaur from class 10. She is also receiving a check of 2100. We have Abnur Kaur from grade 10th. Please give a huge round of applause.
Hello.
Shower them with your applause, dear parents.
अंदर हूँ जी, अंदर आ जाओ, मैं काम लग फिर आ जाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, मेरा नाम ले दो उनको, कोई बात नहीं, कितने जने हो? कोई नहीं आ जाओ.
Now it's Nitya, the winner of Father and Me Reel contest winners. Please give a huge
पिछली
round of
साइड में जो
applause.
तरह से पीछे पाओगे स्कूल दूर आओगे नहीं उसके भीतर टेंट सा लग रहा है बैक साइड में स्कूल के साइड बच्चा का फेस्टिवल फंक्शन है.
Now I would like to call Hargun Kaur from grade 10.
मास्टर भी है
She
मैडम भी
is
है
also
बालक भी
receiving
है.
a check of 2100.
कुछ नहीं नको भाई बालाजी स्टूडियो है नको आ जा बस नुका जा कोई नहीं टोकता तुम आ जा.
Wow, what a wonderful achievement.
हाँ जी.
Please give big claps for her. Parents, do not stop the claps. Now I would like to call Navya Pankaj Kumar in grade 10. Please give a huge round of applause. She is also receiving a check of 2100. Please give huge claps. Parents, please motivate them. They have worked really hard for this. Now I would like to call Pushti Goel from grade 10 who's also receiving a check of 2100. Parents, please give a huge round of applause. Their hard work is really growing. Now I would like to call Samarth Singla from grade 9 who's also receiving a check of 2100. Parents, motivate them. Shower them with rounds of applause. Parents, where is their energy? Today is their day, so please give them a huge round of applause. Now I would like to call Sanchit from grade 9 who's also receiving a check of 2100. Wow, parents, please keep giving claps. They have been working really hard for this.